as women, we always have to prove ourselves extra than a man. And this is something I have experienced throughout life. And I have never complained against it because that made me perform better. And I know that, for me, during the election process and otherwise, being a woman, I know I'll have to work even harder because I know though I cannot claim to represent all Tibetan women, but directly or indirectly, my performance this time is going to affect the narrative of the Tibetan woman in the political sphere. So therefore, I have a huge responsibility also, I feel. Yes, and it is going to be challenging. And I do hope that I get support from Tibetan women as we move towards creating a history in not only for the Tibetan thing, but on the whole, I feel that yes, it is time that we send a very strong statement to the world, and especially to the leadership in Beijing, that yes, now time has come where Tibetan women has also started taking charge of affairs.